This is the starting one. You can follow this pattern on like the head one. It's more or less the same. This is round 10 to 13. All single crochet only, just the same. Round 14 to 21. This is the whole thing. It is done. Stuffing the fiber in. Head is done, body is done, and stuff with fiber. And you start sewing this. There. I changed the color of this one here. I put the light one up one, so I changed it to darker up there. Same, this is a white patch, same design, but you have to do a 8 single crochet magic ring. So the head ready. Now the white body, you just sew it there. This way is okay. This is the feet I'm doing, and I need this plastic. I cut it from the cover of the jelly, I think. I washed it clean, so I cut it from there. So put it in. So when it stands, it can stand. We're doing the feet. So magic ring. 2 chain, half double crochet, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then pull. And then slip stitch. Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, yeah. Slip stitch on this. Now the next one. 1, 2. Then increase half double crochet like that. Then go to half double crochet some more. Next one also half, and then increase half double crochet. One more and increase also half double crochet, and then 2, go on to 2 like that. Then increase half double crochet. This one you don't do because it's a slip stitch. So let's count, should be 12. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So 12. So do a slip stitch there. So coming along nicely. Now you just do 3 to 6 round is all half double crochet like that only. And you can fit it in here like that. All half double crochet. Let's count. Make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So don't do this. Go to this and slip stitch like that. Keep going till you reach round 6. Now we reach here already. 6th round ready. This is how it looks like. Then you start putting in this. It's slightly out, but it's okay, it's fine. You just have to do slip stitch. Slip stitch, or you sew it however you want. I take this part and I take that part and I slip stitch. This one, slip stitch. Ah, yeah. So it's done. The feet is done. Next will be the leg. Just hide this one in. Okay. The leg. You need to stuff in more of this cotton so to be hard enough, and you sew it slightly in a bit like that. Okay. Now we're doing the leg. Do 8 chain. 1, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Then you do a slip stitch like that. Then count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 done. Now you put the marker and do single crochet all around, no increase, no nothing, to until this is round 2. Until round 7 you keep doing it. This is how it looks like. I put stuff hard inside so it will be hard so it can stand. Then can sew it to the to this doll. Looks good. So this is the hand. While you're doing halfway, you stuff in the fiber, but don't put so much. See, it's still, I can bend it. Don't put so much. This one I need to sew it. Yeah, I forgot to sew. I need to sew it. bring this thread, go down here and sew it here, and then go back up. You're doing the hand, do magic ring, single crochet 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and put the marker, then 2 to 3 is all single crochet only, same only, 2 to 3. So 2 until now, then we are going to the 4th round. 4th round is do 3, go to 3, single crochet, 2, and then 3 ready. Now the next is treble clef puff, 2 on the same chain, 3, there, like that, and then all together. Then will be 2 single crochet, go next 2 single crochet, then put the marker, and then next is single crochet. 5 to 7 is all just single crochet. Altogether will be 6. 5 to 7 is all single crochet. I did 5 already. 6 and 7 same also. Okay, my 7th round finish, coming along nicely. Now is to round round 8. Round 8 is 1 here, and then increase the next one. Then 1, increase the next one, and 1, increase the next one. Okay, halfway through, and then the next one is round 9 is all single crochet, all single crochet to round 15, and halfway through you're doing round 7 or what, you put in the fiber because it's going to be hard putting it after that. So now start putting it, but don't put so much. Round 15 finish. Now we're going to do is 1 chain here, then hook and hook, reduce, 1 single crochet here. I said 1 chain on this one, 1 single crochet, and then here hook and hook, reduce, 1 hook and hook, reduce, and then the other round, last one is all single crochet. Just go around until the red color. There, I leave some string longer. Now is to go back to the thumb. I don't want to cut it and then do so that again the string will show the knot here and there. So this way it does not show the knots. So here, okay, come to the stump ready. Now we sew it to make it there. So the stump is there ready. Now go back. And sew your doll and make sure the thumb is up here. Don't put it at the back. Put the pin and then sew it. Put the pin and then sew it. Then it is done. Now it's done. See, it can stand. This is a smaller version I made. This is in the poly thread, and this is the yarn of the wool. It's a wool. What? Nona. Yeah. So it's bigger. Half of it.